This clip will introduce the usage of the Multipoint Dashboard program. Open the program. There will be a menu on the top bar, and then at the bottom it is a client that connects to this server. Each menu is this one. The first one is a block station. That is to lock the screen of the client. It can be set that it is not finished. Whether to block on the desktop, then it will be a sentence. Yes, such as blocks, you can press the down arrow at all and say that every machine will show that it is all blocks. If we block, we can press any block, or we can choose a specific block. All it takes is to press on one device and then select only that which is selected. When unblocking is the same. Unblock can only think of choosing. Block website is a block for prohibiting access to any website that we set to press config. There are two ones which are allowed to access what websites and disallow from accessing any website. For example, it's easy. YouTube. I add and then press OK. This device will not be able to enter YouTube already. After we configure finished right, then press Start. It is the same. You can choose whether to lock all devices, or that only the selected device. Similarly, when unlocking, we'll have the same functionality for one device or for all machines. The third one will be block USB flash drive as well. All blocks or specific blocks that you choose are the same. Blocking time is the same. All blocks or specific blocks that you select can be the same. For this menu, projection is to send the screen of the host machine or the client that we have selected for all other machines to see. It will be available that only the machine we go to the selected machine. We choose the 3 machine. It will see our face, the page we are using. Press stop, or we can send all of them as well. Every time you will see as we do. See already, press stop to stop, or the project that we choose. That is, send the screen that we choose to another machine. Facebook, we press the third section. It will send the page of this machine to another device. I say that other devices will see the Facebook page as well, because you can stop as well. Open the application that is ordered to open any program. It is the same. There are options to open every machine or turn on not only the machine. If you turn on every device when you press it will give you a choice of what program we want to open. Yes, let's OK. I will order to another machine to open Photoshop as we ordered. I open Photoshop as we said. We select the device, select one device at a time. Then press and there will be a pop-up, then tick the desired program page. Then click Search, close the program, and here must do one device at a time. Follow along to make us order. After receiving it will be a chat between our machine and the client. If we click on it, click on the half and press Send. It will show that it is the first device. User 1, it will come up as a pop-up page. As for this one, the control technology is the meaning that the call is to control itself, that is, the remote can control the child device. Open the program or suggest how to use it or teach or anything. See the remote to solve problem. Take care of the problem or something like this. After the remote is complete, then press off as well. This menu can be done one by one. The next menu is to enlarge the screen. Normally we will see it as a small screen. If we press, it will be visible only one screen at a time. Want to exit this mode? Return to desktop view. It will be a big screen. Change size. It is the size of the display, small and large. The menu shows the client. There are two things. The first is that only the device that is connected to is seen as a device and seen as a user has seen our machine as well. If not necessary, select as device. Choose to sort by username, machine name, or by what number. Group by means grouping of clients. Yes, I then search to find that device.